Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Spellbinders kit in, and I also got an add-on. So let's see what we got. This is the cutting snowflakes. This is the small die of the month, and this is what it does. It is beautiful. You can do like kaleidoscope colors. Wouldn't that be fun? And it fractals all around. So you can do like baby blue and pink. Oh, all kinds of possibilities. Now this right here is what I love. This is the large die of the month. You have to go on Instagram and hit large die of the month November for Spellbinders, because the design team has done wonders with this. It is so cute. It is Santa, but it is also an elf. So I don't know why they didn't show the elf. But Santa also, I wonder, the elf is just so adorable. It's so worth it. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick, because you have to see it. Okay, yeah. See, look at this is the elf right here. This is let me see if you can. That is so cute. Isn't that so cute? And then look at this is Santa. That's the add-on reindeer. I'll show you that die because I bought that. But here is the set. So in there it has Santa and it has the elf, which you can turn into a boy or a girl. Is that not adorable? Yeah, Spellbinders, you did wonderful with this. I cannot wait to play with this one. This is amazing. So I pay $63 for the large die, small die, and the card kit of the month. Now I've been telling myself I want to do the 10 cards, and I want to play with that, but today I'm not going to have time to, so I'm just going to put the video up. But if you follow me on Instagram, I'll show you 10 cards that I'll make with this kit, but it just won't be today because I have too much to do right now. So I don't have time to do the 10 cards. I got PL to do, you guys. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sheets of cardstock, which those are really pretty colors. So, really pretty colors. And then we get this, which is the stickers. Merry Jolly Noel. Ho, ho, ho. Like Die Hard. And he's reading the shirt. Okay, and so this is the die. This is what the die looks like. So this is one of the dies, and then this is the other die, which that would be these guys right here. So I'm not going to open it because I mean you can see it well enough here. So you get a poinsettia, and you get the ornaments, and it also has on there, oh what fun. So pretty cool. Oh, here it is. Here's a better view. So that's how you put the ornaments together. Very pretty, huh? So that's the die set you get, which is just great. You get 10 cards, 10 envelopes. That's the standard. You get the Pop Dots adhesive. So let's go with the, I love these. These are beautiful enamel dots, but they have little glitter on top. It's got a little poof of glitter. Really cute. Oh, look at these stickers. These are like the chipboard stickers, which I absolutely love these. Let me see. These are so great. So you got this one. Oh, I love that. And then this one. I like the canning jar. I love canning jars. I think that's just so much fun. So that's that set right there. And then let's go with the stamp set next. And then I'll show you what I did. I'll show you my add-on. This is the stamp set you get. Super cute. And then here's the papers. Let's see what the papers look like. You should get 2 of each. And they're single-sided. So I'm going to do this real fast. We got lots of videos to film today. Because I have the Spellbinder, I have Cocoa Daisy, I had Citrus Twist already. So, and I got to get out of here. I got to get my follow-up appointment for my tonsils to make sure everything is healing correctly. So, which I hope it is, because I really am hungry. I would like some real food. Paper is really pretty. Oh, this one's beautiful. That one's gorgeous. Very masculine. So, yeah, 2 of each. And then here is the die cuts, which I absolutely love the die cuts. The die cuts I just think are, they give you so many, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So, I'm just going to throw them down. Because there's always so many of them that I can't. I keep making cards with these kits, and I can't even put a dent in them. That's just amazing. So, I'm just going to put them down, and then I'll zoom you in. Oh, these are different kind of candy canes. Look at that. That's kind of different. You get 2 of each. It's Kit Kat. And my husband's working. So you get 2 different sizes of poinsettias. Oh, look, a navy deer. Oh, that's beautiful. You like the gold back? I do. That's awesome. Or maybe I'll just pick it up like this and you guys can see it with me. Be filled with joy. Oh, I love these tags like this. They're just fun. Merry Christmas. Thank you for putting Merry Christmas. I have a pile of Happy Holiday stuff to give away to somebody. I'll use that because I can't stand that. Jingle bells. Oh, so blessed. Oh, look at this one. This is amazing. It's my favorite. My absolute favorite. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. Surprise. Merry. Special delivery. December to remember. Celebrating together. The most wonderful time of the year. So stockings. It's 2 different kinds of colors. Holiday wishes. Oh, look, I love that. Dear Santa. Ah, I love that. La 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 la. New Year. Tree. Little maracas. Season's greetings, special occasion. Oh, I love ticket stubs. May your holiday sparkle joy and kindness. Good tidings. Good job. Nothing says happy holidays. Good job, Spellbinders. Love it. Okay, so that, oh, wait. I have to open this one. I want to see what the deer look like. And then I bought a couple of extra things. So, let me see what I bought. I don't even know what I bought. It's been a little bit of time. Oh, so I bought this, you guys. They have deals on there quite a bit. But it says Merry. Look at how beautiful this is. Is that not beautiful? I think it was like $11. Their clearance is really good. I love their clearance. Oh, yeah. So this is the... Oh, and I bought this one. Look at that. It's a French fry. Oh, let me see. It is French fries, hamburger, and a milkshake or a soda, whatever you want it to be. But I just love that. Prairie Paper and Ink. If you check her out on YouTube, she did a card using this set, and I just fell in love with that. And it was on clearance. So I was like, yep, okay. So this is the reindeer. It's a little smaller than it looks like on TV on Instagram, but that is adorable because reindeer should be cute and cute and tiny. This is its body, so you can do its body. Oh, it's so cute. It's just so cute. Okay. Alright guys, so that is my whole haul for this month. Alright, we'll see y'all next month. I can't wait till they do the previews. We'll see ya. Bye.